Hi guys, I just put a video online of ArcoLinuxB Plasma 6 on QEMU and telling you guys in the last videos it's not possible to be able to install Wayland on VirtualBox. I thought after the success of QEMU it can't be possible, the VirtualBox can't install it. And I figured out the variables, so settings, it's always settings. So what you're looking at is after the installation of the ArcoLinuxB, Plasma, right? Ctrl-T, ISO is still working just fine. It's on the AG and it's on VirtualBox. So let's have a look. What are the settings for VirtualBox? You shut down your ArcoLinuxB Plasma. And the major change that I did was to add enable 3D acceleration to have Wayland working. So all the rest's pretty much the same. VM, SVGA, enable this one. I did change something, don't know if it has any effect. Up here in general, where did I select something? Not here, not here, not here. So if you see the other videos that I've made, then nothing changed here. It really is this guy that I've selected, but I thought there was another one. I must be mistaken, don't see it anymore. This one. I've added this one as well. Enable nested VTX AMD. When checked, the nested hardware virtualization CPU feature will be exposed to the virtual machine. That's it. Maybe it worked as well. So after the video, I'll just delete the line there and see if it still works. But enable 3D acceleration is, I think, the reason, because we had to do that in the past as well for other desktops. So try it out. You don't have to install it on real metal. I can change the article as well on the website, and then you can play with it in virtual machines, VirtualBox or QEMU or anything else. It's the settings you have to look into. So if it's still not working on your end, go through all the settings and try again and try again and try again. All right, cheers.